Hello everyone. So yeah, welcome to my channel. Uh, what I want to start today is like a DSA series. Like basically the DSA is for they say that to crack jobs, to shift your company and all that. But what I believe is like if you are continuously solving problems, like whenever you tackle some problem, you'll think in many different ways to solve it. That's what I think about DSA. That's not more than that. It's not about if you are learning it. It's not about switching, or it's just like you are improving your thinking ability. That's what I feel. So I used to do DSA when I was in college. So I used to do almost the last 2 years, like third year and fourth year. I was completely doing DSA because that's the single criteria to get into jobs, right? After that, when I cleared my DE show in Zenoti and then all day sub interviews. So now I was not doing that much of DSA recently, but what I realized was it's better to DSA. It's better to do DSA because you get different ideas, like different algos which you can use in your daily work items, and not only that, you'll get what you say better understanding of how different data structures work. That's also important. So now what happened was it was a long time, right? It was around 2 years. I haven't coded a single DSA problem after I got into job. So now I want to solve some DSA problems. So now I've divided it into sections, which I did in my college time. So in the same way, I've divided into individual sections and I started solving the problems. Why in this pattern is it worked that time. That's it. So like I used to get frequent ideas. If I want to solve something, then it used to be like in at least 1 to 2 hours I used to get how to solve that problem. But now it's like I was not able to think that long time because we are too much dependent on AI these days. So we are not even thinking the basic problems which we can solve. So now I want to start this DSA series to that extent because yeah, I want to start the DSA again. So now whether this works or not, I don't know, but I feel this worked before and now it works also. So this DSA series will be entirely it's like my language preference. So I'll go with Go. Why with Go? Do I have a preference with Go? No, nothing like that. I just want to learn Go. See, like if you see many large MNCs like Swiggy, Zomato, or even Google or Microsoft, like nowadays the old systems are entirely in Java, but the new microservices which they are focused on performance are mainly based on Go. So why they are using Go? Because it's high performance language and it's let's say what uh, it looks like a dynamically typed language, but it's statically typed language. So basically the types should be known at the compile time itself, not at the runtime. So that's what the language does. But it has so many features. You can learn, if you want to learn Go, yeah, you can follow my previous blogs. I have written a good blog on it. Yeah, it will take you from -1 to 0. Not, I say it's a pro coder. Like I'm not a pro coder of Go. I want to learn it. So that's why I'm doing my entire DSA series on Go. So these are the sections I divided. So basically these sections you will see in different areas like Striver's A to Z sheet. Like it will be almost similar. Like I just took the topics from there. I solved around 383 problems out of 443 I guess from the Striver's A to Z sheet, which gave me around like an entire understanding of data structures and algorithms. So from there I have curated list this. So it's into 15 divisions. So maybe the divisions will increase later. But for now on a high level, we only have these 15 sections to discuss. So maybe I'll divide each topic into either 3 to 4 days or around 1 week. Maybe 1 week is fine. Like not for small topics like bit manipulation. These doesn't require that many days, right? Sortings and bit manipulation is like we can take around 2 to 3 days, and the rest of the things which require too much time like dynamic programming, tries, and strings also. The strings are not cheap, so they have large implementations when we go inside, and like it doesn't depend on time. We'll learn it slow. we learn everything. Why now I need to start DSA series is like I'm not able to reverse a linked list. I'm not able to write something from scratch. See, if you want to, even if you go to interviews, they won't give you a lead code function, right? They'll give you an empty notepad where you need to write your own class, your own functions, your own implementations. If you only follow lead code, no, then yeah, you may fail in the interview. I don't say 100%, but yeah, to some extent there are chances of failure. Yeah, first let's start this DSA series. Let's see how it goes. You can consider this video as an introduction to the DSA series. So I'm informing priorly, this is entirely on Go. If you're not interested in Go, then it's your wish. You can either follow my learning path, or yeah, when I'm saying my learning path, it doesn't mean that I know everything. I forgot everything. That's the scenario. So now I'm going to teach myself first, and then later I'll be teaching you. So there are two aspects here. If I understand it better, then I'll make you understand it better, right? So you can consider like I don't know anything. I just know a basic Go. So I'm going to start these data structures. And if you are also on the same line, then you can follow me. But if you are around in your 4.2 and you're directly preparing for your interviews, then I don't suggest this one. But if you are on 3.1 or 2.2, then it's fine. You can follow me. Like I'll be taking it slow. Like I'm a slow person. I'll take time to learn. I'm a good tutor, like you can consider. Yeah, that's it for this introductory video. And later we'll be starting with our linked list. Yeah, this is a blog which I'll be sharing with you all. So whenever I've completed the entire linked list series, I'll be posting this blog online. You can view there. Yeah, it will be section wise. I won't be posting this like a problem wise or a day wise. It's better so that we can also have track of entire module at once. Yeah, that's it for today. Then we'll meet in the next first video of our DSA series. Yeah, thank you. Bye bye. Have a good night.